My name is Uhieku Energy Peacemaker. I'm an embedded system engineer at KDAV Home Systems and Engineering.
My name is Akitim Sulu Ademlade Joshua. I'm an IT network engineer at SCADA Home Systems and Engineering. And we are here to answer common questions from our clients and intended clients.
The first question I will have for you today, sir, is what are the common mistakes that we should avoid when building a smart home?
Okay, common mistakes you should avoid when building a smart home is this is one thing that most of our clients always fall short of is not taking or listening to professional advice. You see, when it comes to building a smart home, you always need a professional to help you see through installation of devices and quality devices. Because in the market, there's a lot of counterfeit products, and only a professional will be able to help you identify which is quality, which is counterfeit, and which is original. Another common mistake most clients or most people make most times in smart home is not having adequate security on their devices. You know, most of our automation or smart systems have home apps that you can have on your phone. You know, just making sure from time to time you're having a routine check of your passwords to make sure that it is not compromised. It's not compromised by external infiltrators. Another mistake is making sure you use quality devices. Like I said earlier on, there are devices that are counterfeit to some of the original ones that we have. And quality devices are also devices that are future proof. What do I mean by that? Devices that can also that take in account for technological advance. Maybe in the next year now there might be some new features that are available on certain devices. If you are using a quality device, of course the upgrade or update eventually comes along with some of those devices.
So I have
You're
another
welcome.
question for you.
Okay.
What do you think an ideal smart home should look like?
Well, an ideal smart home should comprise of devices that are interoperable, devices that are interconnected together and they work simultaneously together. And in summary, it's an ideal smart home should be autonomous. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I have a question for you. How do you maintain your smart home?
Okay, that's a very important question. A very basic way to maintain your smart home is to do routine check on your devices, your smart devices.
Okay.
From time to time, there are devices like, for example, your camera. Log in from time to time, check whether you are receiving video feed. It
Okay.
might have been compromised. Or your network, can you actually control the device? Maybe there are some devices that you have not been using from time to time very frequently, but always check because when you need them, they might not be working. So,
Yeah.
and if there is some faults or electrical faults with those devices, don't attempt to tamper with them. Invite the professionals, reach out to us to maintain those devices for you and make sure everything works properly.
Okay, thank you. Another question I have for you is do your DIY maintenance of your smart home. If you're going to tell the clients now, like how can they maintain their smart home by themselves, the little things they could do.
Okay. Though this is not very much different from the previous question,
Okay.
but these now are things that you can do yourself.
Okay.
I get it. So one of the things that you can do yourself, so there are some smart devices like maybe IR sensor, your remotes, or that make use of batteries.
Okay.
You can from time to time replace them. Those
Okay.
are little things that you can do
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
Your account to monitor your account. Sometimes you might have maybe someone maintaining your house for you, maybe a helper or an house help. So you can also look who logged into your account, who is using the account, and if you feel that your account is compromised, change your password.
Okay.
So people cannot break into your house. Imagine someone controlling your camera from outside. It's something not okay. Okay, another thing to do is take care of those smart devices. Don't rough handle them.
Okay.
Don't expose them to moisture.
Yeah.
Like screens, they are delicate. Handle them carefully and they will last long for you.
Thank you.
There is a very important question that I would like to ask you.
Okay.
Why do we need a smart home?
Well, having a smart home is just synonymous with thinking as fast as technology advances and making your day-to-day life comfortable. What do I mean by that? Take for example now, having a smart home just eliminates physical stress or menial tasks. Take for example now, you're coming back from work or coming back from a long day, and you would have to come all the way down from your car or your vehicle to open gate. But how when you have a smart home, you could control your gate with just a click of a button, a voice command, or just from a control app on your phone. Makes it easier. Just open your gate, you drive in, click close, and it closes back up. Another thing that makes smart home very comfortable for you is, take for example, we have sensors that work with your lighting in your house. So if you step into a room, as long immediately the sensor senses presence, the light comes on. The moment you leave, it goes back off. That's a non-present sensor. You understand? It makes you wouldn't have to go all the way to where your switch is to click on and off every single time you come in and every single time you're about to leave. And also, the one mistake we make in most houses is we most times leave our lights on, which consumes extra
Energy.
power, energy or power supply. But your sensor eliminates that. It makes sure that, oh, you're not just wasting energy or wasting power supply. Immediately, it doesn't sense you anymore. It goes off. Hey,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Okay. Imagine I get a smart home.
Okay.
So having that smart home, does it make me a lazy person?
It doesn't make you having a smart home. No, it doesn't make you a lazy person. People often think it does because you think, oh, your smart home is doing every single thing for you. No, it's not doing every single thing for you. The only thing smart home is going to come into your life to do is just make sure that, like I said earlier on, those little tasks are not being carried out. You don't have to waste your time on all those physical stressful tasks like going out. Take for example, you have a visitor at your gates. You have to go all the way down to open your gates. When, like I said, just click on your button, open your gate, and close it. What your smart home just does is make sure that you have more time to spend on more productive tasks than wasting your time on those menial tasks that you could just eliminate with the use of a smart device.
So in summary, it's just making me more productive.
Yes, it's always making you more
That's
productive. Yes, yes.
thank you
I
very
have a
much.
question for you. What is autonomous living?
Okay. Autonomous living in the context of smart home automation is the use of intelligent and smart systems, having them to manage your home, which they can do with little to no human intervention, making life easier, more productive, and comfortable.
Okay, thank you.